Hello. In this problem, we are asked to please write an LC-3 assembly program that performs an OR operation on memory locations 30A1 and 30A2, and then store the result at 30A3. As a reminder, the only three arithmetic operations are AND, ADD, and NOT. So after we set up the memory location, which is here, we now need to set a base register, which can be done by doing LEA R0 X A0. As a reminder, LEA means load effective address, and it computes an address and then saves it in a register. Now we're going to bring data from memory using the base register with the next few lines: LDR R1 R0 number 0, LDR R2 R0 number 1. Now the big question of this problem is, how do we get to OR when it isn't one of these three, which are AND, ADD, and NOT? There is one way you can do it, which is by using De Morgan's theorem, which is when there are two or more input variables which are negated and ANDed, and that gives us a negative OR function. You then use a double negative to make it OR rather than NOR, which is done right here, which is the not R1, the not R2, the AND for R1 and R2, which makes it equal to R3 as an output, and then we not R3, which makes it just OR. Finally, we're going to write the result R3 into the memory by writing str R3 R0 number 3. We then do the last bits of the code to finish it up by saying halt and then end. And that is how you would solve this problem. Thank you for taking the time to listen.